Hi guys, welcome to Ruby's Kitchen. Today I am making pizza. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to make the dough, sauce, topping, couples of different way, and of course these are my favorite topping. Anyway, so this is we need to make dough. All we need all-purpose flour, yeast, sugar, salt and lukewarm water. Olive oil. Alright, very simple and very few ingredients. First we need to take 1 cup lukewarm water and just put this dry yeast, sugar and just stir around, combine with water and leave it alone for about 15 minutes or till bubbly look. And now we will continue to making our dough. Okay, now in the bowl with the dough attachment we are going to put 3.5 cup of all-purpose flour. We have a flour in, we have a tablespoon of salt and we are gonna put in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now just gonna mix this slowly to combine like all those flour, salt and olive oil. Now just mixing my yeast. Here we go. Put that in with the speed on medium. And just when everything combined, then you can put that speed to low and then it continue to make by 10 minutes until everything come here together and it form really nice smooth dough. So I have this long 10 minutes in low speed. This is absolutely perfect. Now I am going to cut this in half. Just put little olive oil in bowl. Now we will put pizza dough in container and put little olive oil in top and let cover this with plastic wrap. Rice, so I'm going to keep in warm place. I usually put this in oven when oven turns off. The sauce, all we need is some tomato sauce or tomato puree, some chopped onion, garlic, oregano leaves, red chili flakes, red chili powder, basil, garlic powder, olive oil, some salt and sugar. Okay, now we are ready to make pizza sauce. Let's heat the saucepan in medium-high heat. Now add 2 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix it well. Now we will add some chopped garlic, chili flakes, mix it well. Now add chopped onion. Okay. Saute until slightly translucent. Okay, now my onion is well cooked. Now we will add tomato puree. Stir well. At this point, we will reduce the heat. Now we will add the all flavors: garlic powder, chili powder, oregano, basil leaf, salt to taste. Now mix it well. Now what I will do, cover them and let cook them about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'm gonna add some sugar, mix it well and cook another 5 minutes. My pizza sauce is ready. Now let it be cool down and you can store this in airtight container in the refrigerator up to 1 week. Now we have to preheat the oven for 50. You wanna hot. Okay? For pizza topping, all we need some mozzarella cheese, and here I have taken some green capsicum, tomato, black olives, and onion. Now our dough are double in volume, actually how we want. Okay, just sprinkle some flour on your board or base. Now I'm just forming into the ball. What we have to do is side pull it on and pinch. Pull it on and pinch, and just take the bottom and pinch it up together, and perfect ball every time. Now press it. See how light it is. Now is press it and just make the border. You push down with finger and turn same direction, and now you have edges, right? And with your hands stretch it. Don't do too thin. You can get hole also. So be careful. Okay, if you don't want to do same way, then you can just roll it with rolling pin. Exactly, we were looking for perfect round, right? Okay, now we will put pizza sauce. We have pizza sauce down. Now mozzarella cheese. I have here grated one. You can do grated, or you can put slice also. Guys, this is your pizza, so however you like, you can do it, you decorate it. And here I go with my toppings. You can put whatever you want, and if you want your leftover, then you can put also. You know what, it is a very great way. You can put all leftover like chicken, paneer. It goes very well with pizza. So now I'm going to put my pizza in oven, preheated oven for 50. Now we will cook pizza for 20 minutes. Okay, 20 minutes. Right? Okay, my pizza is ready. You just make sure you can rotate it once, halfway of cooking time, for cooking evenly. Okay. So here is my pizza, how it's look after cooking. It's yummy and delicious, right? Definitely do it yourself. This is not difficult. This is very easy way to cook pizza. You can make pizza on your own way. Isn't it? It's really look awesome. Okay, if you like my video, then please like and subscribe for more recipe, and thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.